1 minute. Okay, go, 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 go. Ida, bago mo i-check out, pindot ang DJ shipping na. Tapos, Pillium DJ next day.
Korean na size?
No size nga pang babae, size 8 and below.
Napay. Ito lang talo?
Talo, kitang jiblo, ada ka na. Ada grade school na. Click mo ulit DJ, tapos i-scroll down mo.
Origi pang baby?
Ha, ano, regular. Ay, one latang ng regular shipping. Ano pa yan?
Ikadat ko lang din si.
Wow. Yep. Ka-feed muli yan, nagsubli ka-feed. Ito ka barong drop. Kay Pyrus, Jermaine. Kidam. Tapos ni ada pa dito base. Ida.
Dapat?
Dapat.
Ano pa panag?
Ka-JNG feed kunana. Pagpakita di dyan, nagpapakita king ka. Sabay-sabalik pagpakita eh. Sa baling road, ada sa baling nagpapakita, i-scroll down mo, i-ano, nag-refresh. Ikas lang brown. Dito ni, lapsa mo. Hang na dito. Brown, ti kulay na.
Dira?
Na?
Ano rin ang masaysan?
11 and a half. Submission wasn't selected. Alright, so was just the first time doing the live of the sneakers on the road, like something new, right? Okay, so that was not very good. There is 6 gadgets with 6 accounts, so mostly lost on the account. A lot of it are lost. So as you can see right here, from the top, mostly not selected, not selected, not selected, not selected. Man, all of them are not selected. So else on those, even though there's a lot of accounts, did a lot of good tricks to win, but hey, it happens. But we got still one win on my sister's account. So one pair of, I think she said 8.5 women. So we got one. I was hoping we get more on the SB, but hey, it happens. I was like kinda not really, almost forgot though. So almost forgot. The good thing is it's not my turn to do drive-in, and I still got the chance to enter the raffle. One win, still not bad for the 6 account. So it's her first time winning for almost how many months. On my accounts, I'm still winning, but on my sister's account, rarely, she could barely win. But hey, still got one lucky, one win, and that should cover another for the expenses of the vacation. So what do you think on the live cup on the road? Okay, so if you like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.